We're back at H Sport, and you might remember last time we were here that we recognised we had a back box delete on the vehicle, which would answer for the droney, noisy exhaust that we'd identified in the first video. The drone is unbelievable and it needs to go. So we got a brand new Milltek rear silencer to replace the back box delete, so let's get it on the ramp. That's the back box fitted, and on the first startup it's notably quieter. So let's get it on the road and show you how it really sounds. So as you can hear, the drone from the exhaust is now gone. Inside the car it's a nicer place to be and to be able to do long distances. And outside the car, I'm sure residents of local housing estates will be more than happy that we've quietened down the exhaust. But the good thing is we still got that nice sporty sound. So that's the first job done. Remember to like and subscribe for our next video.